And many times we talk, Dad, why you are worrying? No, all your 3 children, they are doing well, still you are worrying. He said, no, planning to karna padega na. No, I am planning for your future. What's the difference between worrying and planning? So that if you identify, then you can stop worrying. Whenever you are planning something, any moment you can stop that thoughts. No, whenever you desire, thak, you can stop. But when you are worrying, it's impossible to stop those thoughts. They will continue to bother you. If that thought keeps on coming, maybe after another 10 minutes, be sure that I am worrying, I am not planning. From this simple thing, find out and practically do things. Whenever you are worrying, ask yourself whether situation is great or you are great. परिस्थिति बड़ी है या आप बड़े हैं? That answer will come that no, I am great. So no, why should I worry? Many of us are now in our 50s. No, we worry about old age, in fact. And when you have worries of old age, what you should do? Learn from sunset. Still, if you have not observed, once you go from here, 3-4 times, go somewhere and watch sun setting. When you watch the easiness with which sun sets. Sun doesn't complain. So similarly, with easiness, we should also retire. How to deal with children. If you can get this message right, I am sure 50% of your worries would reduce. Till child is 3-year-old, treat him like a king. No, let him do anything he desires. Really treat him like a king. No, psychologically also now we feel that don't discipline him before 3 years of age. Between 3 to 11 years, treat him like a disciple. Really, no, now be after him. No, discipline him in whatever way you like. Between 11 to 40, treat him like a friend. No, after 11, you can't do anything. No, then really become friendly to them. No, more friendly you become, more good they will be to you. And now the final message is, beyond 40, treat them as your parents. The worries and other problems are there because even when children are above 40, till you consider they are kids. Then only they have problem. Then they don't want to stay with you and many other difficulties. 40, beyond 40. Beyond 40, then you are in your 60s. So by that time you should really give up everything, be child and let them parents. They will take care of you. If you can do that, indeed there will not be any worries. No. 11 to 40 is like a friend. 11 to 40, treat them as your friends. Okay, 3 to 11 disciple. No, discipline him in whatever you want, teach him everything. No, force him to do certain thing, whatever you want to mold him at that time. That's the age when you can really mold your children. At that time you want to do something so that they get attached to you. No, attachment come at that time only. After that, once if they have become rebellious, they would remain rebellious. Then little only can be done. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, that has to be little more time for friendship. Okay. Yeah. Now, important thing about overcoming all your worries is live in a present moment. Present is most important. It is said, past is history and future is mystery. But present is a gift given by God. When Dadiji gave you a small gift also, no, that gift is not important, but because Dadi has given, so it's highly precious. So similarly, whatever present offers you, really consider it as a God-given gift. There is another beautiful thing, please write it down also. And if you can again get this whole message as well, lot of your worries would reduce. It said, past is experience. Whatever has happened in past is experience. Present is experiment. What you are doing right now is experiment. And future is expectation. What will happen in future is indeed expectation. So what we should do, use experience of your past in the experiment that you are doing in the present, so that your expectation comes true. Got me? Here also present is really, really important. So what you are doing in a present moment is highly important. And do this small homework. Even today itself, no? Right now begin. From now till you go to sleep, at least 100 times ask yourself, where I am, what I am doing. Where you are now? In Harmony Hall. Say. What you are doing? Listening to me. Or taking round in Mount Abu. Listening, everybody? One teacher asked young kids, what's the difference between reality and illusion? So one small child, he jumped from his chair. He said, sir, you are listening is truth. And if you believe we are listening is your illusion. I hope everybody is listening. So come to present. Point is 100 times ask this question. What I am doing, where I am. And you will live in present moment. And another wonderful thing. In present also we feel little bit disturbed because of your situation, other thing. Although you are worrying about future, but in present moment even at times we feel disturbed. What we should do, this is a wonderful sort of a message, advice. Whatever present moment contains, accept it. Accept this situation as if you had chosen it. It's not somebody has imposed you that particular situation. But suppose if you had given a free choice that you can do whatever you like, you would have really chosen present moment like this only. This just one small advice can be of great importance. What you are doing is not important. Whether you are a family physician or a consultant or a dean of a medical college is not important. But how you do it is highly important. So do with real that some good sense. And you will find there can be joy in doing it. I know a general practitioner in Borivali, a small advice. I think all of you also, if you can follow this advice, it will be of great help in increasing level of happiness. Every Fridays, morning 3 hours, he will treat patients free of cost. Everyone knows. That day, within those 3 hours, he treats more than 100 patients. Otherwise, maybe 10 patients only come to him. And he says that this is the most important time, every Friday morning, when I really enjoy a lot. What patient tell me, that helps, and so many other ways. Once he gave me half an hour lecture, that how he benefits from this small practice. So do something of this sort. Generally, our slogan is, Dawa deni hai, fees leni hai. Isn't it? But once you leave from this conference, please change your slogan. Your slogan should be, Dawa deni hai, dua leni. Let me do something so that I can get some blessings from my patients. Still going deeper now, still more important thing, we are coming close to